it's Chanel, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to achieve these 3 hairstyles. Edge control, rubber bands, wave brush, an edge brush, rattail comb, and a hairbrush. To start this headband-like hairstyle, I comb the front section of my hair to the front of my face with my comb, and then I parted my hair from ear to ear. Once I was done parting my hair, I straightened the part with the comb. Now I'm going to take a small section of hair and part it in a box, then gel and secure it with the rubber bands. And above that section, I am now going to create another box part and gel it with edge control. To create the headband, I'm going to take the hair from the previous section and then combine it with the new hair from the second. Then once I'm done combining the hair, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. You're going to keep on doing this until you've reached the other side of your head. And that's it, you're done. To start this crisscross style, I part a U-shaped like section in my hair. Then within that part, I middle part my hair. Now I take a small section of hair and box part it. Then I gel and secure it with a rubber band. And now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to create the second row. To create the crisscross, you're going to pick a section of hair and cross it over diagonally to the second row. And then you're going to gel and secure all of the hair together. Once again, you're going to get a section of hair from the first row and then diagonally cross the hair to the second. Combining all the hair, you're going to gel and secure it with a rubber band. And you're going to repeat these steps until you reach your desired length. Now that I'm done doing my hair, I'm going to finally lay my edges with my edge brush and edge control. And that's the final look. Last but not least, you're going to start this hairstyle by parting your hair. I'm using edge control to lay my hair. To make sure it's extra slick, I'm using my wave brush and edge brush to lay my hair down. Finally, I'm securing it with a rubber band. On the side where I'm doing the crisscross, I'm gelling down my hair so it's easier to grip. With the rattail comb, I part a section of my hair. With my edge brush, I lay my edges because once you secure the hair with a rubber band, it's hard to lay them afterwards. After I section my hair, I gel it and secure it. And just like the last hairstyle, you're going to want to get hair from row 1 and diagonally cross it to row 2 and combine the hair with the rubber band. Once again, you're going to get hair from row 1 and diagonally cross it to row 2 and combine it with the rubber band.
Yes.
To prepare my hair for the pigtail, I'm gelling it and brushing it with a wave brush. Now I'm securing my hair with a rubber band. And that's the final look. Stay safe and practice social distancing. Bye, boo!